to Rosella.
Hello, iwa ming Lanmila Khabudang hoye ihi Rosella Nursing Institute we principal ne. Ishi Rosella Nursing Institute hi ariri GNM course midakhle ne hi tam khawai class 12 ko bai laga any stream science no arts no commerce no ko tong naraza mi paira shina ka lamya no khani ni raza mi paira. Ishi Rosella Nursing Institute hi achako moin hobok haini 2025 hoina. Laga issue with infrastructure with Krachansa Sejaka issue well-equipped laboratory saimidale library books kala journals updated salaka in lay midlay chen atumi computer la marakaida haimidale Chimang maning la atom hospital when a hostel with that khwai transportation wang bus service la leye laka hostel hi shinaw kala meno khanini wang haimidale issue he chimang maning la ithome student bin kubai laga ayar shongaya kha ta chiwang la Japanese course language course ishi mitakline jena achiko misada ishi 2026 we admission open salary limited seat sauki da nathum ninga chang tam khangai mi bingna nathumi seat si secure samilo thaktara lakha issue he issue contact information la mi sangay kala issue with office lira laga office arli na thum form kala any inquiry le la rakhi mi paira nishlakay.
Nursing isn't just a profession, it is a calling. Hello, my name is Serafina Jipang, lecturer at Rosella Nursing Institute, Community Health Nursing Department. Here at Rosella Nursing Institute, we provide a supportive and student-friendly learning atmosphere. Every student is encouraged to participate actively in both academic and practical learning experiences. We guide our students to think critically, to act confidently, and to serve compassionately. Our teaching methods include classroom lectures, demonstration, group discussions, lab practicals, and clinical postings to help the students develop competence and confidence. We don't just train future nurses, but a future that truly holds or makes a difference. If you're interested to pursue nursing as a career, we look forward to welcoming you to our Rosella Nursing Institute family. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Sopyon Pazang. I am lecturer at Rosella Nursing Institute. The advantages of studying at Rosella Nursing Institute is the opportunity to receive quality nursing education close to home. Studying in your local town allows students to remain connected to their families and communities while pursuing career goals. It also helps reduce living expenses and provides a familiar environment that supports learning and personal growth. Our institution is dedicated to helping students become skilled nurses who can meet the healthcare need of society with compassionate professionalism and integrity. We welcoming you to the Rosella Nursing Institute family and supporting you in building a successful nursing career. Thank you, and I wish all of you success in your future endeavors.
Hello, iwa ming na mai so chu thong hoi I kumram dilai chuin nei ariri I Rosella Nursing Institute le first year GNM tam le hili institute hili ratam ga I chunga tam khuisam bangai kala advantage lak chunga le itum na ayar lim shok la hili katami thumi bang phaisa la chaka spin sa mem ne kala ning la lumai kala institute hin la Japanese language tam stay mi le kala itum na 3 years course kup sangai kha ayar la shok by chance le jina tam ngai bing le kala itum le institute hin welcome sa le ning share.
My name is Ukhrul. I Chandel district gini. Hausi I first year GNM nursing. Rosella Nursing Institute tamzuri. I sida nursing pursue tawse. I gidamak di luwe dorsu koi oza koi staff koi na mating yam pangi supportive yam oye. Duga hausi ki situation ga heridi. Sida na safe yam oye duga regular class kumba sang na hina tawzuri. Duga weather so sida hina pleasant oye. I fortunate yam oye sida nursing tamzaba.
Hello everyone, my name is Nomeriti Pungjamnao. I'm from Langdang village and right now I'm studying first year GNM in Rosella Nursing Institute. My nursing experience in Ukhrul district has been both my educational and rewarding, and this experience helped me to boost my confidence and helps me to know the patient's need in the community. And overall, working with the nurse and the professional helped me to know the value of teamwork and patient-centered care. Overall, my nursing training in this Ukhrul district has prepared me for future responsibility as a professional nurse. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Timshon Matthew and I'm from Hunpun village, and right now I'm studying JNM Nursing in Rosella Nursing Institute. And I want to give thanks to my principals, vice principals, and teachers for giving me this opportunity, as Rosella Nursing Institute is the first nursing institute in Ukhrul, and I'm very grateful to be a part of this. And while I'm doing this journey, I experience a lot of things. I experience and I exposed to various clinical postings and in community postings. While in community postings, I went for field exposures to know about their regional demographics, their challenges, and their public health issues. And I'm very grateful and blessed studying nursing in my hometown. And I want to encourage people to come forward and study nurses and to become a successful professional nurse in the future. Thank you.